just some friends of mine, and they want to have a time to say, hey, what's with you?